For the first time in Colorado history, a Latina woman is now the Chief Justice of the Colorado Supreme Court. Justice Monica Márquez was sworn in last month, but that is not the only way that she is making history.
Denver 7 reporter and attorney Jessica Crawford sat down with the new justice and shares her story.
Never was this part of the plan.
For the Colorado Supreme Court's newest Chief Justice, Monica Márquez, her journey to the bench started in the classroom.
I've had kind of a long and winding career. I started out as a public school teacher and then, worked my way into law school.
Márquez, who was appointed to the Colorado Supreme Court in 2010, grew up in Grand Junction.
I was so blessed to have my father, who was the first in his family to go to college, the first in his family to go to law school.
He was there July 26 to see her be sworn in as the first Latina in Colorado's history to hold the title of Chief Justice in the state of Colorado. Márquez is also the longest tenured openly LGBTQ state Supreme Court justice currently serving in the U.S.
Is there any pressure about activism from those communities?
I'm here to serve all Coloradoans. I'm not here to represent any particular constituency. The importance of my being Latino or LGBT or from the Western Slope is that that's the life experience that I bring to the table. But all of my colleagues bring their respective life experience to the table. And it's that collective life experience that I think helps us make wiser decisions.
Márquez has served on the court through multiple high-profile decisions, notably including the recent case concerning whether former President Donald Trump would appear on the Colorado ballot, a case that was taken up by the U.S. Supreme Court. Márquez says election law has always fascinated her.
The right to vote is so foundational to everything else that we do in this country, and exercising the right to vote through the mechanics of elections is critical.
As Márquez embarks on a 3-year term as Chief Justice, overseeing Colorado's third branch of government, its budget, and its cases, one more responsibility has a special place in her heart.
There's a pressure to open doors for others behind you. I feel all of that. And of course, I also feel pride. I'm glad that I'm in this position.
Jessica Crawford, Denver 7.